In this lesson, we're going to more formally introduce the concept of macros in DBT, which are a fundamental concept. And as we say here, they're reusable pieces of code, similar to what I like to think of as a function. And we saw one earlier with the generate schema name, and technically the ref and the source under the hood are also macros. But let's take a look at a simple example to kind of drive home the purpose of this here. So macros, they'll align with the Jinja templating concept as well. They'll fall under the macros directory because we determine that's where we're going to set those in our project. In this example, there's a macro created to convert cents to dollars. And there's some logic here. We can see it's taking a column name, dividing by 100, converting to numeric to a precision. And this is something that you would probably see reused a lot of times. So rather than having to copy and paste out this logic, maybe it's a specific type of conversion for your company or for a department, you can consolidate it into a macro, pass in the column name and the other arguments that you need, and it'll return the value for you. So if you look down here, this is how it would be used. Cents to dollars, you put in amount, which would be the name of the column in this case. It's going to essentially compile it the way that you want. And bringing it again back to the viewpoint, this helps with that concept of modularity, because by having it as a macro, if you have this in 10 different places and you need to adjust something subtle about the logic, rather than going to every single instance of that, you can just update it here and that logic will flow through wherever it's referenced and you're all set. So macros, they can either be things as simple as a conversion, they can be insert statements, they can be update statements, they can be all sorts of things. So this is a quick intro. We'll add some now to our project so you can see it more in action.